Hi, I'm Lisa Moore from Advanced Health Education Center, and we've been getting a lot of phone calls from mammographers with questions about EQUIP. So I'm here to ask Peggy the question, what is the most useful thing that someone could get from coming to our EQUIP conference?
Well, thanks, Lisa. We have been getting a lot of questions. I think the most important thing is that we've invited the people that hopefully can answer our questions. We have somebody from the state of Texas that's going to be talking about the whole process, Kay Jibiden. We're also going to have an inspector, an on-site person that actually visits mammography facilities, can tell us what he's seen. And then we have invited Dr. Raj Hashmi to talk. Dr. Raj is a radiologist. He's wonderful, works with the technologist in a great way, and he's going to provide his perspective, and then of course we're going to follow up with a technologist perspective. But I think the biggest thing that people will get is the opportunity to engage with the people we've invited to be on the program. Hi, I'm Peggy Hoosier. I'd like to personally invite you to our Mammo EQUIP conference. I'm so excited about the guests that we've invited to participate in this forum. It's a great opportunity to get all of those questions answered and also to engage with the experts. We hope to see you there.